Chapter 10. Negative parts of the tour. Negative parts of the tour are positive parts of the tour and have to happen. Fact. You confused? You have to throw negatives into your tour. It builds trust and gives balance to your presentation. This has to be shared, especially if you're new to timeshare, all excited about how great your product is. Yes, no problem. You can swap your week anywhere, anytime you want. No problem. You can always get what you want. Yes, there is a maintenance fee, but it hardly ever goes up. No problem. If you want oceanfront, just ask and you get it. When you start selling timeshare, due to your excitement about the product you sell, it can be very easy to tell your clients how great everything is. It is a fact that to get a 5-star resort in Spain in July or August, or on exchange, or to exchange to a ski resort in February or Hawaii in the high season, and to get the result you want, you really have to make your request in advance. Hand on heart, we all deep down know this. Unless you own oceanfront timeshare, you have to request oceanfront. No, you will not get the exchange you want all the time. You have to book in advance. Yes, the maintenance does go up every year. I've heard sales presentations where the sales professional just keeps telling the client, yes, no problem. You can do this and do that. Everything is so good. This will not help you sell because in the mind of the client, they will think it's too good to be true. By saying you have to book in advance to get what you want, and it is very, very unlikely you're going to get Hawaii on New Year's Eve with your January week in Cape Cod, you will build more trust. Please remember that your clients are expecting you to tell them how fantastic and amazing your product is. They are on a timeshare presentation. Remember, the clients have heard stories about timeshare sales presentations. Some have bought them before, been promised the world, and then never got it. If the sales professional keeps all the time on the positive track about you can go where you want no problem and the flights are so cheap, the clients will think it's too good to be true. By putting negatives in, you build trust and bring balance to the product you are selling.